Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 launch of the Lamborghini Motorhome presents a novel interpretation of luxury vacation. People who expect supercar DNA to penetrate every part of their existence are the target audience for this futuristic motorhome. It combines the legendary Italian flair of Lamborghini with state-of-the-art performance and elegance. Plan and create a design for the exterior. The aggressive and aerodynamic design of the camper van, which was inspired by the Aventador and the Revuelto, is in line with Lamborghini's long history of making contributions to the automotive industry. Scissor-style entrance doors, cutting lines, Y-shaped LED lighting, and a robust front fascia all contribute to the distinctive Lamborghini rush that comes with driving this vehicle. Although it is parked, its lightweight, aerodynamically changeable carbon fiber panels give the impression that it is moving more quickly than it actually is. Forces in motion. The Lamborghini Motorhome will be powered by a hybrid V12 engine that is connected to electric motors when it is released in 2026. Under the hood, or more accurately, the floor, lies an engine that can generate over 1,000 horsepower. When driving on the Autobahn or parking on a snow-covered mountainside, its all-wheel drive system and adjustable air suspension offer exceptional stability and agility. Upon entering, you are welcomed by a fusion of smart home technology and aesthetics inspired by racing. The interior of the cabin has carbon fiber and Alcantara finishes, as well as ambient LED lighting and color schemes that can be customized. The most noteworthy features include a king-size bed in the master suite, a panoramic roof, and a fully furnished kitchen with smart appliances and Italian marble countertops. A lavish bathroom with a rainforest shower, touch-activated glass, and heated flooring. A living lounge with a retractable OLED TV, surround sound, and an augmented reality-driven projection wall. Technological features and advancements. These features, together with voice-activated controls, terrain adaptation, and AI-assisted route planning, are made possible by Lamborghini's own LIVE drive technology. You can use the autonomous driving mode when you're on a highway. The onboard garage has adequate space for an electric bicycle or Lamborghini scooter, which require a significant amount of space, making grid-independent sustainability achievable with the installation of solar panels on the roof. You should also consider availability. The Lamborghini Motorhome is anticipated to be manufactured in limited quantities in retail for $2.5 million when it makes its debut in 2026. With the aid of the Lamborghini Ad Personam program, the vehicle can be personalized. It is anticipated that in the second half of 2025, deliveries to a particular customer segment would start.